What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be looking at Swift Backup. It's something like Titanium Backup, but I find this to be a little better because Titanium does work good on backing up app data and game data. However, doing the application and the data is where Titanium failed. I tried to do Spotify and a couple other ones, and it basically messed up the APK to the point where it wouldn't even install. I had to download a couple other things to actually clear what was left from Spotify and Titanium messing up. So today we're going to be looking at Swift Backup, and we're going to be using it on MovieBase. Okay, let me move this. All right, link will be below to the Play Store for Swift Backup, and then I'll have another link which is a direct download to the premium version. But you're going to open it. It may ask you for permissions. You're going to grant them. You can sync the APKs and app data to your Google Drive, and you can do automated backups, which is nice. So you have a couple settings here. All right. You have app backup. So you're going to come here. You can encrypt this. I would advise you to turn on these. They can help do the data and stuff like that, and for it not to fail. You can do compression level. Okay. You can do high, low. I did normal. Manage space, so you can clear data, stuff like that. All right. You have options here. Backup location, blah, blah, blah. Grant all runtime. Okay, we're going to tick that too. All right. So you can do wallpapers and stuff like that, installed apps. And we, again, are going to look for MovieBase right now. As you can see, we found MovieBase. So if I go into MovieBase, you can see I've logged in with my tract. Okay. You do need to add it. Now, if I go here, which if you click this, as you can see, you have data size, you have total size, app size. All right. So you have restore, you can backup with data, restore app with data, backup and sync to Google Drive, and then restore. Okay, so we're going to hit backup, app data, and app. As you can see, it's done. So we're just going to make sure that, again, this did it. There you go. Okay, so we're going to uninstall that. When it's uninstalled, it will be gray. However, when you're in the list, you can click it still. It shouldn't disappear from the list. You can go to restore app with data, and then here. Now, restoring can take a bit, depending on the data that it's backed up, so on and so forth. So just give it time, let it do its thing. So as you can see, it completed. And there's also a couple other options here. All right. You have a disable root uninstall for stop app info and settings. But let's launch this. And as you can see, it says synchronizing. And what do you know? It restored it with my tract info. Again, this will work for most applications. If I were you, back it up to your Google Drive, and what you can do is go on another Android device, emulator, whatever it may be, download it, test it, make sure that it fully backed up before you uninstall it on your main device if you're going to be moving something. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, this is how you can back up applications, and this works for media stuff, programs where you obviously like Spotify and MovieBase, where you want to track or listen to music and stuff like that, games, so on and so forth. The only thing that I would have to say is annoying about this, it would have been nice if they had just back up app data, not the application and data. So it would be nice if you could just restore the data. However, in a sense, that kind of would be stupid, because what you could do is restore the app and then update it if you need it to. But it's just something that Would have been nice if they would have had that. However, this is not fully in depth like titanium backup. However, this is something that works. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. See you. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, on the left is a video in Main Lake, and on the right you can check out my last video. Again, thank you for checking out the video. It means a lot. See you on my next one. Peace.